Hi, my name is Marcela Conejo. I've been with the company for 10 years, and right now I'm working as an engineering manager at First Factory. I'm really excited to share my journey with this company. It has been incredible over the last decade. I started as an entry-level developer with no working experience, and over the years, my role in the company has evolved. I started as an entry-level developer, and I started taking on more responsibility, more complex projects, leading teams, and I ended up in an engineering manager position. Even more impactful than formal training for me has been the opportunity to work with the most talented individuals. Um, Not only the exchange of ideas, the daily conversations, but also the ability to work alongside them has been an incredible opportunity for me to learn from them. A key aspect of my professional development has been the company's commitment to my learning and skill enhancement. First Factory generously invested in various courses um, by funding my growth, and the support not only allowed me to deepen my technical expertise, but also it broadened my understanding of the industry and emerging technologies. All of this is a testament of the nurturing environment the company has and the support they give to hard work, and that is recognized and rewarded. One of the aspects I like more about working at First Factory is the openness in communication. From day one, I've been encouraged to speak my mind.
Right.
And this open dialogue is not only about sharing ideas, it's also about being heard and respected. The culture at First Factory can be best described as a blend of collaboration, growth, mentorship. It's not only what drives the company forward, but also ensures that every team member grows along with it. One of the most memorable experiences I have from First Factory is when I was tasked to create an entire web system from scratch along with a team. This was not only a technical challenge, but it also worked as an opportunity to leverage the collective creativity within the team. One of the most enriching aspects is the mentorship and collaboration that blossomed within the team. And as a leader, I was able to mentor them and fostering an environment where each individual could contribute their best while also growing professionally. A software development career is a journey marked by continuous learning and adapting to technologies and methodologies. Embrace a problem-solving mindset and see the challenges as opportunities for growth. The technical abilities are crucial as well, but so is the ability to collaborate and communicate effectively. Actively seek to be receptive to feedback, build a supportive professional network, and balance technical skills with essential soft skills like time management, emotional intelligence, but most importantly, prioritize your well-being and maintain a balanced and sustainable career path. If you're looking for a place that understands the importance of collaboration, teamwork, and continuous learning, First Factory is a great choice. Also, they understand that an appropriate work-life balance it's important for a long-term success.